Today I will teach you how to make a high-quality homemade PCB. Materials to be used are glossy paper and a flat iron.
And print your layout using a laser printer, because an inkjet printer is not possible. First you need to clean the PCB and then put your layout on top of the copper side of your PCB and you can start ironing, for a maximum of 35 minutes and a minimum of 20 minutes. And put it in a container and pour ferric chloride. And wash with clean water and soap. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.